How to play an A natural minor scale on the piano. As you can see, this scale uses all white notes. It's the exact same scale as the C major scale, just starts on A. So A with your first finger, B with your second finger, C with your third finger, cross your thumb under to D, E with your second finger, F with your third finger, G with your fourth finger, and then A with your fifth finger. Coming down, G with your fourth finger, F with your third finger, E with your second finger, D with your first finger, cross your third finger over to C, and B with your second finger, and then A with your first finger, just like this. Now a little faster.